Chavan. I joined Jspider Rajajinagar in October 11. It's been 6 months I have taken training here. So I learned here Java full stack course and Spring Hibernate full stack Java course, and the faculties are very good in training center, and they are giving good opportunities to learn and to explore that, and the grooming sessions are wonderful to identify our personality and all. So this is all about JSpider, and HRs are more comfortable with the students. They are providing more opportunity. I attended more than 15 interviews from JSpider, and I got a wonderful opportunity to start my career. I'm from mechanical background, so it's a good platform to join for non-IT guys to explore their career in that IT field. Thank you.